Hi there, my name is Mallory Hope, and today I'm going to show you how to use your provided King of Christmas remote. Firstly, remove the plastic sheet at the bottom of the remote. Each tree will have an on and off function located on the top left and right corners of your remote. Before using the remote, please make sure the foot pedal is visible and point the remote directly towards it. Next, under the on and off button, you will see buttons 1 through 8. These buttons are used to switch between the different settings of your tree. For example, when you click 1 on your remote, it will initiate the warm, white, steady feature. Then when you click number 2, it will begin the sequel setting. Please note that the functions on your remote may vary, depending on if you have a strictly warm white or multicolored tree. For more information regarding specific functions of your remote, please check the tag located on the foot pedal itself. Now, under the functions, you will see 2 buttons on the bottom left of your remote. This is your dimming setting. The bottom button will dim the lights, and the top button will restore the lights to full brightness. The last function on your remote is the timer on and timer off button. This will control the timer function on your tree. If you would like to use your timer, click the timer on button. Once the timer is initiated, a blue light will appear on your foot pedal and your tree will automatically turn off after 8 hours. Should you wish to turn off your timer, simply click and hold the timer off button until the blue light turns off on your foot pedal. Thank you for watching, and as always, please feel free to reach out to our customer service team with additional questions or concerns. Happy holidays!